Hi everyone, welcome back to Home Cooking with Dana. Today I am excited to show you how to make 3 delicious pides: chicken pide, spinach and feta pide, and simply cheese pide. Let's get started with the dough. In a large bowl, add 250 ml of lukewarm water, then add 1.5 teaspoon of yeast and 1 teaspoon of sugar. Let this sit for a few minutes until the yeast activates. Next, add 3 cups of flour, 2 tablespoons of oil and 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix everything together until a dough forms. Knead the dough for about 10 minutes until it becomes smooth and elastic. Once the dough is ready, cover it with a damp cloth or a cling wrap and let it rise in a warm place for about 1 hour or until it has doubled in size. While the dough is rising, let's prepare the fillings. For the spinach and feta pide, we'll start by making the spinach filling. Add a handful of spinach and 100 grams of feta cheese into a food processor and blend them together to make a rough mixture. Add mozzarella cheese and set this aside. Next, for the chicken pide, we are going to make the tomato and onion filling. Add 1 small tomato, quarter of red onion and 1 clove of garlic to the food processor and chop them finely. You can also chop them finely using the knife. Add salt and pepper to taste and set this aside. Now all our fillings are ready for the pides. Once the dough has risen, preheat your oven to 220 centigrade. Our dough has risen beautifully. Now we are going to make a log out of this and divide the dough into 3 equal parts. Take one part of the dough and place it on a flat surface. Add flour generously because this helps to move the pide easily without sticking to the surface. Using a rolling pin, roll the dough out into an oval shape. Stretch it out using your hands to get a better shape. Let's add the spinach filling first. Spread the fillings over rolled out dough, leaving a border of about 1 inch around the edges. Once the filling is spread out, fold the edges of the dough over the filling to create a boat shape. Pinch the ends to seal them. This will help keep the filling inside while baking. Add some extra cheese on top. Place the assembled pide on a parchment-lined baking tray. Next is chicken pide. Spread a layer of tomato and onion mixture evenly over the rolled out dough. Then add about 1 cup of rotisserie chicken. You can also use your own cooked chicken for this. And lastly, add a layer of mozzarella cheese. Now we are making simply cheese pide. This is the easiest pide with just only 1 ingredient. Spread out generous amount of mozzarella cheese. Beat 1 egg and brush on the edges. And sprinkle some sesame seeds. They are ready for baking and place them in a preheated oven at 220 centigrade for about 12 to 15 minutes or until the crust is golden brown and the cheese is melted and bubbly. And there you have it, delicious homemade pide ready to be enjoyed. They have turned out beautifully. The crust is perfectly golden and crisp, while the fillings are hot and savory. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed making these pides with me. If you did, give this video a thumbs up leave a comment below and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes. See you next time.